Hey, how's it going, guys? The Saad here, and you're gonna learn about isArray in the array object. So yeah, it's a type 2. So what it does is, there is a type of method which if I mean function which find that which type of it is. So like that, array has isArray method. So first, I'm gonna log it on a console. Array dot is array, and now you need to pass some parameters. So if we pass an array, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma like that, you're gonna say true. It returns in boolean, as you know. So, and if you pass like something like object, it's not gonna work. Like foo, you're gonna say false. So this is what it does. Nothing more than that. Just it's a type of type of a function. It's same as that, but it has a array constructor. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.